Hey, Matt from Roof Racks Galore, and this is the Tiegear Soft Terra 2-pack. They're a screw-in style peg, which is designed specifically for softer terrain like sand, soil, bit of mud, just basically any sort of soft terrain where your conventional pegs just don't want to hold. Unlike your conventional straight shaft pegs that just want to pull straight out of soft terrain, these are a screw-in peg that have deep thread cuts, which means they're going to bite down and really grab onto that soft terrain for a much stronger hold. They're also significantly longer than your standard peg, meaning they're going to go deeper into the ground and just really increasing that hold strength. They're made from a UV stabilized reinforced nylon, which means that they're going to be super strong, but they're also going to be slightly flexible, and they're not just going to fade and get brittle within 6 months of the sun. They're secured into the ground using a 19mm socket on either an impact gun or a ratchet, making them super easy to get in the ground and remove them when you're ready to pack up as well. Another great benefit of the Tiegear Soft Terra is you'll notice that the head has 2 hook points, meaning that you can either secure multiple things from the one hook, or it just gives you a little bit more flexibility on where you're going to actually mount things to. And so that is the Tiegear Soft Terra 2-pack.